Good morning, all of you. Last class I gave some homework related to that laws of exponents. First laws of exponents we learned, we discussed. Okay, what is that? X raised to a. If x is any rational number, x raised to a into x raised to b equal x raised to a plus b. Okay, then second one, x raised to a divided by x raised to b equal x raised to a minus b. These two laws we discussed last class. Okay, for any rational number x, and if a and b are any whole numbers, then these two laws follows. Related to that laws of exponents, we discussed some problems and I gave some homeworks also. All of you check your answer. Is it your first homework question was 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5. So what will be that? 2 raised to 3 plus 5, 8. 7 square and 7 cube. Here you want to care if the base are same or not. If the bases are same, then only we can use this law. Okay, in these all questions bases are same, then we can use this law. If the bases are same and for multiplication we can use this law. 7 square into 7 cube, same base 7. Then what will be its answer? 7 raised to 2 plus 3, 5. A raised to 3 into a raised to 4. A raised to 3 plus 4, a raised to 7. 3 by 2 whole cube into 3 by 2 whole square. The base is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 raised to 3 plus 2. Okay, powers we are adding 5. Minus 2 by 3 whole square into minus 2 by 3 whole cube. Base is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 whole raised to 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then a raised to p into a raised to q, that is a raised to p plus q. We are adding the powers p plus q. Then a cube into a raised to 4. So a raised to 3 plus, what is this power? If there is no powers written, then the power will be 1. We want to take it as 1. A raised to 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. A raised to m into a raised to 3. A raised to m plus 3. Just like minus 3 raised to 5 into minus 3 square. Minus 3 raised to 5 plus 2. That is 7. Then minus 3 raised to 5 divided by minus 3 square. It will be using the second law. Okay. If it is division, we are subtracting the powers. That is in the case if a is greater than b. This we discussed in the case of a. If a is greater than b, then x minus 3 raised to 5 minus 2. So it will be 5 minus 2 we know, that is 3. Next law, third law we want to know. It is, just wait, we can discuss the third law. Before discussing the third law, we know the second law we already discussed. What is that? X raised to a divided by x raised to b equal x raised to a minus b. In the case of if a is greater than b. Now we can take one example if it is a is less than b. Such one example we can take. Suppose we want to divide 3 square divided by 3 raised to 6. What will happen? When we use this when we do this calculation in normal way without using any laws, what we will get? This way we can write 3 square by 3 raised to 6. That will be equal to 3 square means 3 multiply 2 times and 3 raised to 6 is 3 into multiply how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now when we do this we will get how many? 1 by, here in the numerator only 1 remains. Here how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that we can write it as 3 raised to 4. Okay. So here we got the answer for 3 square divided by 3 raised to 6. We got 1 by 3 raised to 4. Now if we use this using exponents law, if the second law when we use for doing this, what will happen? Okay, 3 square divided by 3 raised to 6 using the exponents law, we can write it as 3 raised to 2 minus 6. Okay, we are subtracting 2 minus 6 will get. So that's equal to 3 raised to minus 4. Okay, so now what we got for 3 square by 3 raised to 6, we got one answer as 1 by 3 raised to 4. And 3 square, for the same question, 3 square divided by 3 raised to 6, when we do using exponents law, what we got? 3 raised to minus 4. So that two answers we can equate. So what we can write? 3 raised to minus 4 equal 1 by 3 raised to 4. Okay, 3 raised to minus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 4. So we can use a general formula for that. X raised for any rational number x raised to minus a. For any rational number x and for any whole number a, x raised to minus a, we can write it as 1 by x raised to a. Okay, 1 by x raised to a. We found that. So this we can take as the third law of exponents. Okay, x raised to minus a equal 1 by x raised to a. How we got it? First we take this using the normal. We got 1 by 3 raised to 4. When we use the exponent, second exponent's law, when we use, we got it is 3 raised to minus 4. Now, if these two answers we can equate, that means 3 raised to minus 4 equal 1 by 3 raised to 4, because both the LHS side is equal. So, RHS side also will be equal. So, we can form the general law as the third law, x raised to minus a equal 1 by x raised to a for any rational number. So, then what will be 2 raised to minus 3? So, 2 raised to minus 3 equal 1 by 2 cube. Okay, avoid that minus sign. Clear? Now, another example, 3 by 5 whole raised to minus 2. How we can write this? 3 by 5 whole raised to minus 2. So, it will be, that we can do here, 3 by 5 whole raised to minus 2. Okay, so that's equal to, using that law, what we can write it is 1 by, what is x? Instead of x, what is here? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole raised to, avoid the minus, so 3 by 5 whole square. What will be its answer? 1 by 3 by 5 whole square will be, then just take its reciprocal, it will be equal to 5 by 3 whole square. Okay, it will be equal to 5 by 3 whole square. Now another example, using the third law we can discuss 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 4. 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 4. How we can do it? 1 by, using that law, 1 by. Okay, then what is x here? 1 by 2, and avoid the negative, so it will be 4. 1 by 2 whole raised to 4, what is it? What is, then take its reciprocal, 2 by 1, that is means 2 itself, 2 raised to 4. Okay, it will be equal to 2 raised to 4. This way, that is the third law of exponents. Next, fourth law is x raised to a. This is third. X raised to, for any rational number x raised to a whole raised to b, that will be equal to x raised to a into b. Okay, x raised to a whole raised to b, that will be equal to x raised to a into b. That is the fourth law. Very important. All exponents laws are very important. Using that we can solve all questions. So, suppose one example, 3 square whole cube. Okay, how we can do this? 3 square whole cube. So, that will be equal to 3 raised to 2 into 3. Here we are multiplying 2 into 3. So, 3 raised to 6. Okay, now 4 raised to 3 whole raised to 5. 4 cube whole raised to 5. How we can answer? It will be equal to 4 raised to 3 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5, that is 4 raised to 15. Okay, 4 raised to 15. So, now we discussed total 4 exponents law. First law is x raised to a into x raised to b equal x raised to a plus b. Okay. Second one, x raised to a divided by x raised to b equal x raised to a minus b. Now third one, 1 by x raised to, not third law is x raised to minus a equal 1 by x raised to a. Okay. Then fourth one, x raised to a whole raised to b equal x raised to a into b. These four laws. Okay. Now itself, today itself you want to by heard these. Now next also same type properties but some difference. Then there will be confusion. So first study this well and do that remaining problems related with these exponential laws. Okay, I will give us homework. Okay, thank you.